Welcome back to Thrani, I'm Joe B. Today we'll identify the parts of a wheelchair so you know how to properly use it as well as your loved ones. Let's dive in. A manual wheelchair is a dependent mobility system used to propel and protect the user. From the term dependent mobility system, it means that this device are for individuals that were given non-weight bearing orders by their doctor or who have clear difficulty in standing and walking. Its main parts include the seat, the rear wheel, and the caster wheel. The seat is comprised of the hand grips for passive propulsion, the cane to connect the hand grips to the back upholstery, armrest, side panel, and seat upholstery, which contains and stabilizes the individual sitting on it. The seat extends forward through the wheel lock that locks the chair, the front hanger which connects to the leg upholstery and the foot plate. Both of these parts, which is the leg upholstery and the foot plate, stabilizes the patient's legs and feet. The back part of the chair has the tipping lever that allows the chair to be tipped back to go over surface lips and surface changes. The rear wheel is comprised of the axle and the push rim, which allows active propulsion. The caster wheels is connected to the front hanger by the front fork. If you like this video, please like, share, and comment. And for more therapy animations, please subscribe to Thrani.